Hey there, my hustlers. Welcome back to Diamond's Hustle, your go-to spot for the hottest job leads around. Now, today's featured opportunity is none other than Zillow. And trust me, this one is going to be a total game changer. But with that being said, don't worry, because I also got a handful of other amazing leads lined up that you do not want to miss out on. So all I need you to do is go ahead and hit that like button, share with your crew, and subscribe to stay in the loop on the latest job scoops. And let's get right into it and find your next big career move on Diamond's Hustle. And we're going to start off with that first bonus opportunity to see if it's that game changer that you've been searching for. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, guys. So first on the list, I want to go ahead and talk about this new opportunity over at Hazel Health. Now, imagine you're making healthcare more accessible for K through 12 students, because that's exactly what this company is all about. So really what I want you guys to do is go ahead and picture yourself, right, on the front lines, working remotely from your comfy couch or home office, helping to bring top-notch medical and mental health care to kiddos who really need it most. So really, what's the deal with this opportunity, right? So Hazel's looking for someone who can handle all things enrollment, someone who's ready to tackle all the paperwork and process it takes to really get their fantastic clientele enrolled with insurance payers across multiple states. Now think of yourself as a champion behind the scenes, ensuring every I is dotted and every T is crossed, so the docs and therapists can actually do their job without a hitch. Now, the gist of this job really is what you're going to be doing in the day-to-day is you're going to juggle provider applications like a pro, submitting everything needed for Medicaid and managed Medicaid as well, and commercial insurance program. You're going to communicate with clarity and thoroughness. You'll coordinate directly with clinicians and gather any missing documents. You're going to track your progress in real time and keep everything on a schedule. Now, you're going to pinpoint challenges if a detail is missing or an application is stuck and quickly come up with a solution. You'll also be able to collaborate with cross-functional teams to really keep the entire show running smoothly, while also maintaining compliance with HIPAA and other rules, because we want to keep health data locked up tight. Now, as far as the qualifications for this opportunity, you're going to need experience in credentialing software, plus a few years of working with commercial Medicaid and managed care providers, a solid background in customer support or operations, ideally with a knack for the details, a respectful professional approach, especially when a lot of things are missing, forms or clarification is confusing. Now, you're cool with working remotely and comfortable learning software as well, and then certification as a CPCS or CPMSM is going to be the cherry on top, but don't worry, that is not mandatory for this opportunity. Now, as far as the pay, Hazel provides competitive total compensation, as you guys can see, $26.75 to $31.50 an hour. They do have 401k match, paid time off, and an array of other great benefits. So you'll have the chance to really make a real difference in telehealth for students nationwide. Now, it's a remote position with flexible hours, so you'll be a part of a team that knows how to collaborate from anywhere. So if you guys are ready to bring your super organized, detail-loving self to a mission that truly matters, then this might just be your dream gig. All you need to do is go ahead and join Hazel Health and help empower the doctors and therapists who serve students day in and day out. One well-placed piece of paperwork can go a long way in changing a child's life. Now, with that being said, if Hazel is not for you, that is completely fine, because guess what? I'm about to share with you guys another bonus opportunity. So let's go ahead and check out that next one. All right, guys, so next on the list is going to be an opportunity at VSSP Vision, and it's a role that's perfect for people who love bringing in clients and making them happy while still focusing on building strong relationship, strategic thinking, and problem solving. Now, if you guys are ready for the scoop, let's go ahead and jump right on into this opportunity. So really, what's this gig all about, right? So you'll be a part of a team that's all about selling more effectively and keeping customers around for the long haul. You might have up to 3,000 existing clients. Yep, you heard that right. Now, this is going to be a chance to reel in new ones as well. So you're basically the friendly face or voice who's guiding them toward better benefits, bigger results, and stronger partnerships with VSSP Vision. Now, specifically, that means a lot of different things for you, right? expanding your customer or broker base and retaining existing folks who already love you, creating revenue growth plans and forgiving strong relationships, analyzing data to find ways for them to succeed, and of course, helping yourself helping yourself out by hitting your own growth targets as well. You're going to be educating customers on the newest and coolest VSP products and programs, and then talking to groups big, 25 plus people or small. So it helps if you're a whiz at tailoring your message to any audience. Now, your day in the life of this opportunity really is you'll maintain the sweet spot between analyzing trends and rolling up your sleeves to handle the day-to-day. You should expect some phone calls with important folks. You might pitch new ideas or handle complicated negotiations. So a little confidence and persuasive flair definitely is going to help you in this opportunity. And then you get to be creative and strategic, making sure you're always delivering what the clients need. Now, as far as the opportunity, you need a bachelor's degree in business or related field or equivalent experience, they're saying. 6 years of sales background, preferably in account management or business development, insurance industry, creed is going to be a plus. I'm familiar with really building relationships, especially with decision makers. Love a challenge. You'll handle complexities and come out smiling. Solid communication chops so you can speak and write in ways that make sense to everyone. You can roll with the punches and come up with solutions if things don't go as planned. Then you get up to 25% of travel, they're saying, for this opportunity as well. It's going to be possible. And must keep it legal behind the wheel with a clean DMV record as well. And if you don't have it already, you'll need to snag your state insurance license within 6 months of starting this opportunity. Now, the pay for this role is $22.36 to $33.52 an hour. But actual offers will factor in your experience, location, and so on. So you also might be eligible for bonuses or commission because, let's face it, they love rewarding people, they say. Now, VSP Vision is an equal opportunity employer as well. So if you're intrigued about forging partnerships, analyzing deals, and making a real difference in how people get their vision benefits, then this could actually be your next big move. So polish up those negotiation skills, gather your confidence, and maybe perfect your 60-second elevator pitch and go ahead and apply to this opportunity today. But if not, that's fine, because I'm about to share another bonus opportunity with you guys. So let's go ahead and check that one out. All right, guys. So next on the list is going to be with Hover. And really, I do want to go ahead and talk about that mission, right? It's really to make the homeowner journey easy, transparent, and fun using AI and 3D property models. Now, seriously, fun, right? Now, Hover is searching for a customer support specialist to be their go-to person for providing top-tier customer experiences. Now, in this, I'm going to skip a lot because we're going to dive right on into this opportunity, right? So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, Hover, right, is serious about building the best user experience in the space, really, as a customer support specialist. So you'll be empathetic, critical thinking champion who helps clients get the best out of Hover's products. Now, they want someone who's super detailed, has a knack for problem solving, and is excited about cross-team collaboration. And your day-to-day will look a little bit like this. You're going to take care of customers via email, chat, phone, whatever it takes to solve their issues to keep them satisfied. You're going to troubleshoot complicated requests because you get to become the I got this person, right? For weird or complex bugs and collaborate closely as well. Now, you're going to document everything. You'll keep track of interactions, glean insight, and share them with companies to really push product improvements. And then be the calm in the storm, right? If something breaks, representing the voice of the customer in real time, incidents, triage, solutions, pretty much. And then teach and train, right? Through webinars, presentation, giving customers confidence to navigate the platform independently as well. Now, ideally, what they're looking for from you is going to be 3+ years in customer service or technical support environment. So handling frantic help messages doesn't faze you. You're a strong communicator both in writing and speaking and can handle multiple issues at once without losing your mind. You know how to troubleshoot effectively, working with engineering to make sure the problem gets pinned down and fixed quickly. And you love learning about new products. Enthusiasm and growth mindset is going to be very big here. They do say bilingual in English and Spanish. That's going to be a big plus as well for this opportunity. It's strongly preferred but not required. Now, as far as the compensation, it's $55,000 to $81,000 per year, depending on the role level and your location. Now, they do have healthcare, unlimited and flexible paid time off, paid family leave, mandatory self-care days, remote well-being tools, ongoing learning also as well. So, if you're itching to join a company that's shaking up the real estate with 3D scans and AI magic, plus you're an empathetic problem solver with technical chops, then they are looking for you to take you on your next big adventure. They welcome curious folks from all backgrounds, so go ahead, jump on board and help change how home improvement really gets done. Now, with that being said, I do want to share with you guys one more bonus opportunity before we dive right on into that main gig with Zillow. So let's go ahead and check out that next one. All right, so next we have Peerspace, and this is a company that's on a mission to transform the way people rent spaces, right? Now, the epic hub for finding unique venues, whether it's for a meeting, event, or the next mind-blowing photo shoot. They've got lofty goals, big name backers like Google as well, and a snazzy remote opening for a growth operations specialist. Except they call it a fancy sounding growth operations specialist. And let's go ahead and decode it in everyday language with just enough information for you guys. Now, as far as the role itself, right? So in this opportunity, they're seeking to ramping up its operational infrastructure. They want to scale and they want to do it fast, like warp speed fast. Now, the growth operations specialist role is all about transforming manual tasks into sleek automated processes. Now, if you're the kind of person who sees a complicated workflow and think, let's map it, fix it, and slap some automation on top, then this actually might just be your opportunity. Now, in the day-to-day of your responsibilities, it's going to look a little bit like this. System integration, picture all of your favorite tools. Now really imagine building automation that really makes them talk to each other seamlessly. Technical support infrastructure as well for this opportunity. AI implementation, data analytics, cross-functional collab, and then process optimization as well for this opportunity. Now, who they're looking for is going to be someone who has technical chops, maybe with code in Python or JavaScript. System experience, your buddy with Intercom, Salesforce, LLM, ML knowledge as well. If you can talk about ChatGPT or other large language models in ways that actually help real world problems, and that's going to be a plus in this opportunity. Operations background, analyst and problem solving, communication and customer focus as well for this opportunity. Now the pay, as you guys can see, is going to be $110,000 to $140,000. And now the exact figures might depend on your location, skill set, and some pixie dust known as market data. Now they do have a great motto. Remote first. They do have great benefits, health coverage, unlimited PTO, wellness Fridays, team offsets, and equity as well for this opportunity. So if you guys are the type who loves building a futuristic, efficient framework where once messy or manual process becomes an automation wonderland, and you thrive on collaboration, problem solving, and purposeful hustle, this role might just have your name on it. So if you are interested, go ahead and join Peerspace and go ahead, keep opening doors to amazing, one-of-a-kind spaces for all sorts of creative happiness. Now, if this sounds like your gig, go ahead and apply now. The spaces are waiting. With that being said, let's go ahead and bounce right on over to that last opportunity, which is going to be with none other than Zillow. All right, guys, here we are, that final opportunity. And I do want to go ahead and chat about this role at Zillow that might just make your head spin with all the interesting stuff they're working on. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. So Zillow, right? They need a senior business operations manager to handle big picture compensation strategies and processes. So if you're someone who loves figuring out how to design effective incentive plans, you might want to keep listening. Now, this is going to be that 100% remote opportunity. So yes, pajama bottoms are totally okay. Now, your main adventure in this opportunity is going to be compensation and policies. So you'll lead updates to comp plan rules and policies for the rentals org space. You're going to data and systems. So you're the guru who keeps track of all the compensation data audits and controls. Reporting, you'll whip up data reports as well. Project management, you're going to wrangle cross-functional teams. And then team leadership, they're saying for this opportunity as well. So you'll manage a small group of analysts, monitoring them, encouraging them, and really helping them create their best work. Now, why this really matters is really you're going to be their go-to person for making sure that when folks come on board at Zillow Rentals, their pay plans and performance metrics drive the right behaviors, meaning no confusion, and plenty of clarifying information about how to earn those incentives. Now, that's going to be a win-win for everyone, right? Now, as far as who you are, actually, I almost skipped the important part, the pay, right? So the pay for this opportunity is going to be $105,900 to $169,100 annually. Now, as far as who you are in this opportunity, you have at least 8 years in business, ops, sales, finance, or something related. You love complex problems, are strong in Excel and modeling, and can happily lose yourself in data. You're detail obsessed, can think ahead to possible hiccups, and communicate a compelling story with data. And you have strong figure it out energy, which is basically going to be a must in Zillow itself. Now, with that being said, if data compensation strategy and big time collaboration don't scare you, then this could actually be a great match for you. So check the link, apply, and who knows, you might be the driver of some seriously exciting stuff at Zillow Rentals. With that being said, good luck if you apply for this opportunity. Now, that is going to be the scoop on these fantastic positions from Hazel Health, VSSP Vision, Hover, Peerspace, and Zillow as well. Now, whether you're excited about tackling provider enrollment, a strategic gig in vision care, shaping 3D home improvement tech, there's going to be something for everyone in this opportunity. Now, if any of these sounded like your dream job, go ahead and apply. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next round of sweet job leads. And let's get you on the track to landing your perfect role. And I will see you guys in the next one. Good luck out there. All right. Bye.